Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to customize staff uniforms in Planet Zoo. If you're going for a specific color scheme or theme for your zoo, you can customize your staff uniforms to match. While you can't change the uniform designs themselves, since each staff type has its own fixed design, you can change their colors to fit your preferred style. To do this, click on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen. In the Zoo Overview window, look for the person icon with a cap. Click it to open the Staff window. At the top, you'll find the Staff Uniforms tab. Click it, and you'll see the different colors assigned to each staff type. For this example, I'll customize the caretaker uniforms to make them easier to distinguish. Simply click on any of the colored boxes to change a specific part of the uniform, such as the jacket, pants, or shoes. You can choose from the available color presets or use the color slider for more precise adjustments. You can even paste a specific hex color code if you already have a color in mind. After changing a color, make sure to click Apply. Once you're happy with the design, click Apply to Staff Type. This will apply the new uniform colors to all staff members of that type. And don't worry if you change your mind. You can always customize the colors again, and it won't cost you anything. You can do the same thing for your other staff types. So take your time experimenting with different colors and create uniforms that match your zoo's style and theme. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.